23 sophisticated ways to Afronize with a head wrap. Whether you are having a bad hair day or not, there is no denying that you can add a touch of sophistication and mystery to your look with an African head wrap or gelly. You can rock these looks with pretty much any fabric of your choice. If you don't have print fabric, you can grab one. African women have been wearing head wraps for centuries. There is something regal about a well-organized head wrap. You can use it to dress up an outfit or dress it down. Ways you can Afronize without a wardrobe overhaul. African woman head wrap tutorials. If you love to do a head wrap, but have no idea how to get the look just right, we have you covered. Here are video tutorials that will teach you how to do a head wrap like a pro. Number 1 Head Wrap Tutorial by Florence Oriwo. Number 2 Head Wrap Tutorial by Zainaba. Number 3 Head Wrap Tutorial by Christiana's Closet.